Hi everyone. This past Wednesday, I was on the phone with my very good friend Sandra, the SOULFULQueen.net. I told her I had a taste for some tasty seafood. I hurried and I got all the leftovers of shrimp and crab that I could muster together. I used about a half a cup of Drake's seafood batter mix and 1 egg and fried these delectable shrimp. Don't they look spectacular? Next, I got about a pound and a half of Russian king crab, some corn on the cob, and Idaho potatoes, and I threw them in a pot and came up with this wonderful seafood boil. After that, I made my version of the Beloves dipping sauce to dip my seafood into. It came out so good. She thought I had been to Red Lobster. I appreciate you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care now. Bye.